are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are the way you smile, the way you laugh, the way I can't help but catch your joy, your joy. Metaphorically, this song just says one thing: I love you. That's what I'm telling you. Oh, and there's no irony because I see what
You're insecure.
Hi guys, it's me Hamster All Stars 47 here, and today's YouTube video is a review on the Snowflake Woodland Natural Pet Bedding. And this is suitable for horses, rabbits, poultry, as in chickens, birds, guinea pigs, hamsters, gerbils, mice and chinchillas. Not birds that you keep in a cage like farm animals. It's natural odour control, dust extracted, easily sourced and manufactured. So my rabbits have it in their kennel at the moment because they have so hot and Bessie recently recovered from having her bag again, so I'm having toilets at the moment because it's shitty and poopy. So you can see there's no mess with their toys. Just £21 in a store near me. For £20 and you get quite a big bag, and it's the giant one. And you can get smaller bags for depending on what animal you're getting it for. You can also buy this from BioVet, but I'm not too sure if you can get it yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe. The auditions are open still for the 750 Club. I am doing your requested videos as quickly and as efficiently as I can because I've had quite a few requests, so really will be coming up soon hopefully. I'm not going really to upload them all at the same time because it takes me time to make them. So thanks for watching guys, please comment, like and subscribe.